Hybrid powertrain. The CR-V hybrid racer would likely feature a hybrid powertrain, combining an electric motor with a gasoline engine for enhanced performance and efficiency. Performance. With a focus on racing, the CR-V hybrid racer would have a more powerful engine and performance-tuned suspension compared to the standard model. Aerodynamic design. Expect a design optimized for aerodynamics, with features like a lowered stance, front splitter, rear diffuser, and a large rear wing to increase downforce. Lightweight materials. To improve performance, lightweight materials such as carbon fiber may be used in the construction of the body and components. Racing interior. The interior would likely be stripped down for weight reduction, featuring racing seats, a roll cage, and a minimalist dashboard with racing instrumentation. Advanced safety features. Despite its racing focus, the CR-V hybrid racer would still incorporate advanced safety features for driver protection on the track. Track-tuned suspension. Expect a suspension setup optimized for high-speed cornering and precise handling on the racetrack. High-performance tires. The CR-V hybrid racer would likely be equipped with high-performance racing tires to provide maximum grip on the track. Braking system. Upgraded brakes with larger rotors and high-performance calipers would be necessary to provide the stopping power required for racing. Engine tuning. The gasoline engine in the hybrid powertrain would be tuned for maximum power output, likely with enhancements such as turbocharging or supercharging. Regenerative braking. The hybrid system would incorporate regenerative braking technology to recover energy during deceleration and improve overall efficiency. Integrated motorsports technology. Advanced telemetry systems and data logging capabilities would be integrated into the CR-V hybrid racer to help drivers analyze and improve their performance on the track. Limited production. Given its specialized nature, the CR-V hybrid racer would likely be produced in limited numbers, possibly as a special edition model. Customization options. Customers may have the option to customize certain aspects of the CR-V hybrid racer, such as exterior graphics, interior trim, and performance upgrades. Racing heritage. Honda has a rich history in motorsports, and the CR-V hybrid racer would likely draw inspiration from Honda's racing pedigree, incorporating design elements and technology derived from its motorsport programs. Environmental sustainability. As a hybrid vehicle, the CR-V hybrid racer would showcase Honda's commitment to environmental sustainability by demonstrating the performance potential of hybrid technology on the racetrack.